What's up guys, today we are looking at the Cipon, C-I-P-O-N. This is a PS2 wired controller. So it's durable, 2.2 meter cable, double vibration, accurate buttons, sensitive joystick, motion control. I don't think this has the PS2 pressure sensor on the buttons. Third party manufacturer, guarantee responsible for all products, warranty 45 days money back, and 365 days free replacement. If the controller is faulty, please contact us directly. It says here, what's this? The UK address and a German address. Made in China. Okay, let's open it up and take a look. There's no tape on it. Here it is. Bit of tape on here. Bubble wrap. I'll reuse that, don't worry. So this is the connector, PS2. I presume it's PS1 compatible too. Size, it's got a decent weight to it. These are the problem buttons usually for these controllers, but L2, R2 look good. L1. There's this, cheap plastic you feel to the controller. I don't know if after time this will, wear down a little bit and maybe feel a little better. Joysticks are very light. These are raised quite a bit, I've noticed, compared to a PS2 controller. I will compare this with the these are raised, yeah, like these are fine, like they should be raised, but these are raised a lot higher than I would like. So you have your triangle, circle, X, square, L3, R3 working. Well, I will test this properly. Wired controller, there's the specs there. Feels very similar. I like the texture of it. It's not as sticky. We'll see though. I'm kind of skeptical about the D-pad. Buttons I'll probably get used to. Yeah, they're a bit off. They're not consistent. We'll see. I just found this instruction manual. Let's just go through this quickly. Go through all the buttons. About Cipon, our promise, customer support, just a note. And then key functions. Is that not the same as this one? Yeah, this is the same page repeated. Oh, I think it's in German. Now what's on the back? I think that's Spanish, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's just 4 languages. Okay. Yeah, so I wanted to show you that. That instruction manual. Yep. Alright, so that is a first look at the Cipon, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. PS2 replacement controller. I'll do a full review in the future and compare to the proper PS2 controller. Alright, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.